Good morning. What time is it? What day is this? Today's Monday, the 5th of May, 2025. Sister Soul, look. Look what we got here. Pancit. Right? Ano to, ate? Rabong?
Madam, rabong with saluyot.
To. Tsaka to.
Gabi with gata.
Gata.
Tapos ito naman yung pang Ilocano talaga, yung buridibud. May patola, may talong,
ano tawag dyan?
may buridibud.
Buridibud.
Yeah.
Ayan.
May gabi, may...
Sinasabi ko sa yung sa Amerika may inugot sa niya. Ay, Sister Soul, tamo itong kinakain ko. Lalo na to 175 pesos lang. May kasama pang cook. Ay! Meron pa kasama dalawang cook.
Tapos sabihin mo, madam, yung buridibud, ala.
Ilocano talaga yan. Tapos si Sister.
Saka yung gabi.
Ayan.
Gatang gabi.
Nakabidyo pa. Nakabidyo pa.
Puro yung favorito ng mga taga
Ilocano, right?
Ilocano itong inuulam ni madam.
Carmen na lang, sister. Sister na lang.
Sister.
Ayan, sister. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you po.
Sige po.
Pansit.
And it has atmosphere. See, I'm right here. And there's the top of my head. And it has atmosphere. It's lukewarm to cold. And there's flies.
I don't see any.
That's because you don't see them. There's one right there.
Where?
Yeah. Because it'll bother in this car.
Okay. Because there's a fan. That's the fan I want to get for home.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So, nandito kami sa palengke ng Kamalayugan, ate, sister. Ako pala ang ate mo. Elmis Eatery. So, ito 15 pesos. Ano pa ba ito? 25. Kasi kalahati na. Right? So, up to 3. How long is this? Meron pang pritong isda, sister. Pritong isda, sister. Meron pa.
Cables are too short. They need to be about this.
My size.
Yeah.
This is my favorite. This is the gabi with gata. Gabi with gata. Half order each for 25 pesos each. How much is that, huh?
Was what? Look, dreadlocks. Don't see those very often.
Where?
Straight. We'll put a red shirt next to him.
Are they real?
Probably.
Color that. Those kind of people are color that. They're not many people.
Anyone can have dreadlocks. Even white people with straight hair. It's just a matter of twisting it and twisting it and twisting it.
Video.
They can hear me?
This one.
Yeah, well, maybe you need to edit that.
No. So we're in the best place. Ang tawag dito, te?
Laing.
Laing. Ito, rabo.
Rabong saluyo. Buridibo.
Buridibo.
No.
This got patola in it. This one's got gabi and coconut milk. Ito saluyo. I really don't know how to eat saluyo, but I'm getting to know it. This is all these people I'm eating, no meat, no pork. Why I know that? Because those,
Well, that's positively vegan.
there you go.
Yeah,
No,
there
there's
you
a
go.
lot of Middle Eastern people here that eats this. No pork. Their religion. We don't eat pork.
So this guy on YouTube said, all my friends are vegan. So what I do is I boil my, whatever meat I'm going to eat, I boil it, and then I take the water, and then I make whatever I'm going to make for them. So that they can go and be on their high horse and claim to be vegan. And I know in my heart that they're not.
There is no way to be vegan.
What?
It's
No,
not
there's
vegan.
no way. No.
It's called vegan.
Yeah, whatever.
You can't. There is no way. Everything on this earth has a little bit of meat.
Yeah. Bill Clinton now claims he's vegan, has been for a long time. And